To make costing, first we have to define cost group cards. To do this, we have to click on the docket management menu and select cost group cards work list. Here in the work list, you have to right click and select new to create a new group card. First, we have to give a code and a name. Then, if it is related with some production, we have to select the operation from the process list. If we will not use any inventory for this costing group, then we have to check move name to explanation. And we can give a fixed quantity and fixed unit price if required to the group card. After all, we have to right click and save or press F5 from the keyboard to complete the group card definition.